Right, Ms. Vaughn, we're going to go ahead and work on our misfire procedures now, okay, at the range. So everything is absolutely the same as you're firing, except your weapon has just experienced a malfunction, okay? So we're going to work on this real quick. So I'm going to say fires. Go ahead and approach your lane. Good. Go ahead and secure your magazine. Good. Go ahead and secure your weapon. Good. Go ahead and lock and load that magazine inside the weapon. Good. Good. There you go. Go ahead and release that slide to the front. Good. The fire line is now hot. Fires. Take on a good stance. Good grip. Good aim. Breathing control. Trigger control. Fire when ready. Misfire. What do you do on a misfire? There you go. Keep that weapon pointed down range. Good. I will come up to you on the non-firing side, and I will say, what's the problem?
Misfire.
Misfire. I will grab that weapon by the slide. You will release the grip, and you will step back, and I will come in, and I will clear the weapon, and we will continue to fire from there. You got it?